day 6 in London. I have an off today because the uni works 4 days a week. So here we are. Day 6, I've already done half my breakfast, but I made my first ever boiled egg in UK. And it's boiled perfectly. I can't believe it. See, I think cooking is a big deal, okay? You learn it. It's a skill. It's not easy. I think it makes you independent and you can cook for yourself. I just hope it's fine from the inside and it looks fine. It looks fine. Nothing jiggly. Yeah. But that's how we've started day 6 in London. Good morning and have a great day. Hi, I got my groceries. What's up? As the people came in, the guy and I just got my groceries. And it's so cold outside in London. It's very cold. It's like I went to get these and the delivery guy got out his cartons and one of them just blew away like that because of the wind. It's 10 degrees and I thought I'll wear like a hoodie and leave, but no. But this is the first set of groceries I ever got. I'm going to show you what I have. This is milk and I actually was supposed to tell you how much it costs. Let me get my laptop and show you what is the price of everything. Great. Very cold, very cold. Just a second. Great. This is 4 pints of milk for £1.09. मम्मा हे 4 लिटर मिल्क आहे 3.5 किंवा 4 लिटर आणि हे आहे 100 रुपयाला 100 rupees the milk. I'm gonna keep this here. Mug मी मागवलंय. Oh, this is actually frozen, I think. This is mango and passion fruit juice 1.5 liters and हे आहे 1 pound ला, which is 100 rupees. It's mango juice. Great, something amazing happened. मी order केलेले 200 grams mushrooms जे 49 pence साठी होते, जे आहे 50 rupees around. but त्यांच्याकडे ते नव्हते, त्यामुळे त्यांनी मला 400 grams mushrooms दिले for the same price, for 50 rupees. So it's a benefit. Mushrooms. Finally, butter. I did not have butter for so long. 79 pence, 80 rupees for butter. This here 500 grams, 500 grams, 500 gram butter. Yes, chicken. As does chicken breasts, fillets. £2 84 pence. 280 rupees. 280 rupees la 500 grams. Ardha kilo chicken for 284. Chapatis. Finally, after 1 week of not eating chapatis. Mama, I got chapatis. This is for £2 50 pence. 250 rupees, Mama. 20 chapatis for 250 rupees. Great. I was midway recording and then the card just got full, and actually there was nothing in the card, and I was just trying to figure out why is it acting like that, and then I felt so bad and I had to YouTube it, and someone called Oliver Clive on YouTube says to format it, and even when there's no data in it, and I could do it, and now it's recording. And I was just telling you about the groceries I took. I took I spoke about the milk, I spoke about the juice, I spoke about the butter, and I'm just going to keep it here so it looks cool. And I was talking about the curry leaves, and oh, let me get the laptop so I can tell you the rates. I hope it's still in focus. Such a relief. Curry leaves, yes, and I'm saying this all in Marathi because so my family and my relatives can also understand this, and if they cannot, what's the point, right? I'm doing this for them. So curry leaves, kadi patta is 100 rupees, 10 grams, 100 rupees. Penne pasta, but this is whole wheat because I am not, my body is not suitable for maida, so this is whole wheat, and this is 53 pence, which is 60 rupees. So I got this in a deal with spaghetti. Spaghetti एक प्रकारचे noodles असतात, फक्त त्यांना पाण्यात टाकायचं असतं, but they both are whole wheat, so I can eat pasta and noodles now. I finally got garlic paste and ginger paste, आणि हे आहे दोन्ही 80 pence, 80 rupees, 70-80 rupees, whatever, you know, garlic paste आणि ginger paste. I think ह्याच्या पुढे मी ginger आणि garlic buy करेन आणि paste बनवेन, because I don't think so this is like affordable every time, but whatever. Garlic ginger paste. Home fried pasta sauce. हे मी घेतलं 1 pound ला, which is actually good. 100 grams of pasta sauce फक्त 100 rupees ला. I mean, I know this will just be used halfway through. Like, because there's a lot of pasta. Frozen peas, bigger peas. हे आहे 50 pence ला. ह्याच्यात frozen peas आहेत, so I don't have to. I mean, I'm actually going to get, once I get out of quarantine, एकदा मी quarantineच्या बाहेर गेलो, त्यानंतर मी जाऊन स्वतः farmers मार्ट मधून कुठे इथे शॉपिंग करणार आहे, because things are cheaper, but as of now, peas. Coffee. Finally. I was dying for this. I forgot to carry coffee, and I had to drink chai and milk and chocolate milk all the time, and coffee 1.98 pounds, 1 pound 98 pence, म्हणजे almost 200 रुपये, 2 pounds, आणि हे 100 grams आहे coffee, 100 grams coffee. It's actually a lot. think it's worth it. हे cheapest होतं. मग मी घेतला आहे. Oh, I think I mentioned the chapatis, right? Chapatis and chicken. Oh, chapatis and chicken we mentioned today. Tomatoes, baby tomatoes. For 49 pence, right? 49 pence? No, 89 pence. Almost 80-90 rupees. 325 ग्राम. Bangan, or it's called aubergine, but we used to just call this bangan. We used to call it bangan, and I love this because I hate brinjal, but I love this because my mother makes amazing slices, and I'm going to learn how to do that. Me banavnar itte slices banavnar hai me mama. One capsicum. I thought मी विचार केला की 3 येतील, but एक आहे 50 pence ला, 50 rupees ला एक capsicum. It's also a little mushy, पण ठीक है, something new. This is my life. I love lemons. हे लिंबू आहेत मम्मा, एवढे मोठे लिंबू आहेत हे, आणि आपल्याकडे किती छोटे लिंबू असायचे. My dad is super proud of me. मी त्यांना म्हणतोय की तुम्हाला खूप अभिमान आहे पप्पा की मी स्वतः जेवण बनवू शकतो, which is actually normal. Everybody should know how to cook food. जेवण बनवणं खूप छोटी गोष्ट आहे. I mean मोठी गोष्ट आहे, पण सगळ्यांना आली पाहिजे. 79 pence, 79 rupees, 4 lemons. Mirchi, chilies from Bulgaria. 170 grams, 200 ग्राम. खूप सारे आहेत actually. For how much rupees? 1 pound, 100 rupees. That's my shopping. That's my first ever shopping experience in London. हे जे मी ऑर्डर केलंय माझं आहे. And I'm going to go and cook something out of this. I don't know what to cook, but I'm going to cook something right now out of this. And I'm going to use the ginger garlic paste. And tomorrow I'm going to drink coffee. It feels so good. But I'm very happy. I'm also going to try these frozen chapatis, and I'll let you know how it is. It's Riya's original recipe, whole meat chapati. I'll let you know how this is, and you can know. I'm going to tell you my experience with all of these things. Thank you so much to Asda for delivering this, because I paid for it. But I'm really glad this came home. In quarantine, this is life in quarantine. खाना घर पे order करना पड़ रहा है because I'm not allowed to go out. Everyone who's out there in quarantine, I hope you're safe. Please अपना ध्यान रखिए. It's okay if थोड़ा पैसा जा रहा है, but food order करिए घर पे. Don't go out. Stay safe. And I'm going to tell you a lot of other things. It's just, I think it's a milestone. See you later. I have to go keep this in the kitchen now. It's my food. Bye. Hi, I also forgot to mention coriander and kothimber, mama, papa. And it's actually homegrown, so it comes like a plant. एका झाडासारखं ते येतं घरी in this, so I get fresh coriander.